press Windows, and here programs, and the third one Windows, and enter. Why? Okay, then you can find the hard disk. Hard disk 1, hard disk 2. Hard disk 2 normally nothing inside. So it doesn't matter. We use hard disk, this one.
Okay.
And here have CPAC.
CPAC.
Yes, CPAC. It's a machine system all inside of this one. So, and normally copy. Then insert your USB disk from other machines. Copy to USB disk. Copy. Then up. Then here USB disk. And paste here. Paste here. Is okay.
Okay.
You can get this CPAC, and normally on the machine have the problem. Problem is NK file missing. NK file missing. Here, NK. You can copy this one also from other machines. Copy and to the USB disk. This USB disk. And paste here NK.
Okay.
NK files. And after this, you can to the problem machines and restart it. Restart this one.
Suspend.
Not restart. Where have restart? Okay, here restart it. Now it's come to the problem one.